Start this bulletin with our top focus this hour. Deadly incident of firing on the Jaipur-Mumbai express train. 3 passengers and an RPF ASI have been killed. As per cops, it was a railway police force constable who opened fire. The train was closing in on Mumbai when the incident took place. The accused RPF constable has been arrested, and as per initial probe, the 2 railway police cops had a fight on the train.
हमें सुबह 6 बजे पता चला है कि हमारे एक आरपीएफ के कांस्टेबल जो इस ट्रेन की एस्कॉर्टिंग ड्यूटी में थे, उनकी तरफ से गोलियां चली हैं, जो हमें अभी खबर आई है। उसमें 4 लोगों के इंजरी की खबर आई है। पीपल हु हैव बीन शॉट, वन ऑफ देम इज एन आरपीएफ एएसआई और बाकी 3 और लोग हैं। इन लोगों का मेडिकल अटेंशन जो है अम्बेडकर शताब्दी हॉस्पिटल में बोरीवली में जैसे ही ट्रेन पहुंची है, उन लोगों को लेकर जाया गया है। वहां पे हमारे रेलवे के अधिकारी भी तुरंत स्पॉट पे पहुंच गए थे और वो अवेलेबल हैं और वो साथ में गए हैं और उन लोगों को जो भी मेडिकल और पुलिस सहायता एक्सटेंड किया जा सकता है वो किया जा रहा है।
One constable who was on duty, Mr. Chetan Kumar, he has opened fire on one of his colleague ASI Tikaram Meena, and during this incident 3 civilians, 3 passengers, they also got shot. The accused constable, he then did the alarm chain pulling and got deboarded between Dahisar and Mira Road, which is just before Borivali station. However, he has been nabbed by the Bhander team, by RPF Bhander team, and currently he is under the arrest of GRP Borivali. So investigations are on, उससे पूछताछ की जा रही है।
यहाँ पर जो है वो बुलेट शॉट्स जो हैं वो आपको नजर आएंगे। सबसे पहले सबसे नज़दीकी तस्वीर जो है आप देख सकते हैं, बुलेट शॉट आप देख पा रहे हैं यहाँ पर कि इससे ये साफ हो सकता है कि अंधाधुंध जो फायरिंग हुई थी वो यहाँ पर की गई थी। हालांकि यहाँ पर महज जो सिक्योरिटी के पर्पज से पुलिस मौजूद है, उनकी तैनाती यहाँ पर की गई है। ये आपने देखा कि यहाँ लोग मौजूद हैं, आरपीएफ के जवान जो है वो सिविल में भी मौजूद हैं। और इसके अलावा अगर हम तस्वीरों पर ध्यान दें तो यहाँ पर जो है इस कंपार्टमेंट के अंदर जो है वो पूरी घटना घटित हुई थी। जो आम जनता थी, उसके जो सामान थे वो यहाँ से जरूर निकाले गए, लेकिन उसके बाद जो है अगर आप देखेंगे तस्वीरों के जरिए तो पूरे इस कंपार्टमेंट को खाली बाकायदा कराया गया है। जितने लोगों के सामान थे उन्हें रखा गया है। लेकिन इसी के अलावा अगर हम ध्यान दें तो ये वो पैसेंजर कॉर्नर है जहां पर इस पूरी घटना को अंजाम दिया गया। इसी बॉक्स के अंदर B5 के अंदर अगर हम बात कर रहे थे, B5 के अंदर जो है इस पूरी घटना को अंजाम दिया गया था, जहां पर ये पूरी घटना घटित हुई। हालांकि इन्वेस्टिगेशन करने के लिहाज से इस पूरी जगह को जो है वो बंद किया गया है। फिलहाल इस पूरी जगह में कोई भी सामान जो है वो मौजूद नहीं है। और यहाँ पर मैं आपको तस्वीरें दिखाऊं, अनिल शिंदे आपको तस्वीरें दिखाएंगे जिससे आप समझेंगे कि ये किस तरीके की गुड्स बोगी है। अंदर आप देख पाएंगे कि ये वो सामान है लोगों का, ये मृतकों का सामान है, क्योंकि इसी सामान को लेकर वो ट्रैवल कर रहे थे। और जहां पर ये पूरी घटना घटी और साफ तौर पर चीजें जो है वो थोड़ी आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल हुई। और यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं कि आप किस तरीके की घटना थी जिसको पूरा अंजाम दिया गया। ये आपने पूरी बोगी देखी जो आपको अनिल दिखा रहे हैं। इसी के अलावा हम कोशिश करेंगे कि थोड़ा और नजदीक पहुंचे, क्योंकि अब हम उस जगह के करीब आ चुके हैं जहां पे मृतकों के ऊपर हमला किया गया था। ये वो आप जगह देख पाएंगे बोगी, जहां के अंदर आपको थोड़े से सामान नजर आ रहे हैं, वो लोगों के हैं। और इसी पूरी जगह पर जो है वो घटना घटित हुई थी। ये जो दरवाजा आप देख पा रहे हैं जहाँ पर सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स आपको फिलहाल नजर आएंगे।
Absolutely shocking incident this, and to get us more information on this, joining me live from Mumbai is my colleague Ankit. Ankit, as far as we know right now, the RPF constable has been arrested. Do we have any sort of an information about the motive behind this attack?
Yeah, see, absolutely right. Currently, I'm standing on the spot where this incident took place. I'm currently at the Borivali railway station. You can clearly see this is the railway station where the regularly the express trains every day arrived and do depart from this place. Here only near to the railway station, near to the canteen. The canteen, this incident happened where the accused got down from the train and he was started running. On that time, the on-field RPF officers, they have nabbed him over here. Apart from that, you can clearly see the dead. We can clearly see say that they have the dead body which was been taken out from the railway from the train on this railway station. So this was the spot in the Borivali railway station where accused arrested by the GRP police, and he is now taking to the custody. Definitely the GRP police will ask for the more custody. The reason is still not known, that what is the exact reason of that this incident took place, where he shots to the officer as well, and apart from that civilians as well. So this is a spot where in the Borivali where this incident happened. Apart from that, as we all know from the sources, we came to know the train which was coming from the Jaipur, and after they left from the Palghar railway station over there, this incident happened. There was a fight between these two officers, and after that fight, this incident happened. But very importantly, we have to see like what is the reason behind that he shot the civilian as well. There were 3 civilians who died in this incident, who is there in the Shatabdi hospital right now. But what is the reason that he shot the civilians as well as the ASI as well? So that is unknown. The investigation is going on by the Borivali GRP team, the GRP officers, the Central Railway officer. Everybody is right now doing the investigation. The accused will definitely, they will ask for the custody for the investigation. But the main reason that what was the reason that he was the other 4 people were shot, that is not known yet, and the investigation is going on by the Borivali GRP police right now.
Well, absolutely, Ankit. I believe you are at the exact railway station where the incident took place. But, all the focus has been on the incident and how shocking it is and how it has been, done. But also, if we can shift our focus a little bit on the people who were fired at, we believe this was an open fire. So any number of people could have been fired at. Do we have any information of anyone else who has been, injured? And possibly, has there been any sort of a reaction by the people, the family members of those that have been killed?
Yes, that's absolutely right. If you see, this train is right now at the Mumbai Central, where all the passenger which was right now over there, and definitely once they will get in touch with the people over there, we'll come to know what is the exact reason. Because this incident happened in the B5, and on that there was a passenger. Are they over at the Mumbai Central railway station or not? That also we have to see. But very importantly, here we can see in the Borivali railway station where the accused was arrested by the Borivali railway police. Apart from that, if you see that in the investigation right now, the main focus is on the investigation, that what was the reason. Was he frustrated and that's why he did all this thing? That now the Borivali GRP police will look into in this case.
Well, absolutely, Ankit. Thanks a lot for getting us all of that information from on ground. We'll be keeping you updated with all the information that comes in this case. Now, let's shift our focus